Want to know how to install TaskRabbit on your mobile phone, Android or iPhone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first. Simply open up your Play Store or your App Store depending on your phone. So once you have opened it up, make sure you are on the search bar. So for Android, the search bar should be right here. And then on top you should be seeing source bar again. Just simply select that and type in TaskRabbit. So once you have figured that, here you should be seeing TaskRabbit. Just simply select install right here. So once you have figured it, here you should be seeing your TaskRabbit installing, and you can just simply discover how it works and the reviews, and that's it. This is how you install TaskRabbit easily in your phone. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.